Hello, English 9 class. It's Friday. Woo woo. So, I'm checking in with you. So, I updated grades on Thursday, October 1st. I came into the school early before any of you were there, and I had a guinea pig with me, so you missed out. But I came in to collect papers from my bins, and sadly, my bins should have been stuffed full, and they were not. So there was too many missing assignments and too many zeros, which made me sad. So that makes me think we need a reminder how to turn things in. How, when, and where. So how do we turn things in Miss Simmy's class? When? All assignments are due by the Friday of the week that they are assigned. If they are assigned on Monday, they are due on Friday. Your best practice, complete your assignments and then turn them in the same day that you complete them so they don't become lost in your abyss of a locker or get put into a folder and not sure where they end up. Keep things organized. Turn them in as soon as you complete them. Makes life easier. Where and how? Well, I have a turn-in bin right in my classroom. It's located in the clear bins. They look like letter files, and they are located on top of the file cabinets by the window. You have seen them demonstrated before. Maybe we'll be lucky and somebody will play Vanna White and will indicate these exact bins for you. They should be almost empty at this point as I picked them up early Thursday morning and I had a nice big stack. Another place you can do it is you can use the Google Classroom Dropbox. All of the assignments are available on Google Classroom, so if you forget your book or your packet at school and you want to do your work at home like a studious young person, then you can complete them on Google Classroom and turn them in that way. Another way, I don't recommend this way, but it can be done, is you can turn them in to my email at simmyl@gomaroons.org. I discourage this one for a very specific reason. I get so many emails. I honestly get over 100 emails a day. That is okay. If it's your only way to turn something in, then please do email it. Another way, if something is late, okay, I have not been in the school building, so one thing that you can do is take a picture of the assignment as well as physically turn it into the grading bin. And then email me that picture. Another thing that can be done is you can have that assignment scanned through a copy machine and emailed directly to me. That can be done in the office if the office is not busy, or by another teacher if they are not busy. However, teachers are very, very busy right now. So if you have a copier at home that has a scanning capability, you may use that as well. So the ways you can turn things into me is the turn-in bin in the classroom, which I will only be checking at maximum twice a week. So if you turn something in late, your grades will not be updated quickly unless you find another way to let me know it's been turned in. Another way is through Google Classroom. Another way is through email. Please make sure you are turning your assignments in. Otherwise, they will be marked as zeros. Today is Friday. That means assignments are due. What assignments are due today? Your Where Have You Gone, Charming Billy assignments. You should have an annotated copy of the short story that should be turned in that has been highlighted and has things marked into it, such as your thoughts, your feelings, any ideas or connections that you made to the text. Your questions on the short story, which were 1, the comprehension check, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and the vocabulary in action, as well as the letters as the main character, Private First Class Paul Berlin, written to Paul Berlin's parents and to a friend of Paul Berlin. I hope to see you soon, but it won't be next week. I am still definitely out all of next week. So use that email. It's there for you. See you soon, hopefully.